Hey everybody, we're on Queen Street West, and we are headed towards a place called Gandhi Cuisine. Now what they specialize in is something called a roti. Now the roti, in and of itself, is just a flatbread that was invented and made popular on the Indian subcontinent. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, etc. But what roti has also come to mean is a kind of wrap where the flatbread itself is filled with chicken or goat or duck or anything you could imagine, or vegetables or both, and wrapped into this kind of neat little package. And where that originated was workers, slaves from the Indian subcontinent brought the roti into the Caribbean area in the West Indies and created into this roti wrap slash sandwich slash burrito slash Taco Bell Mexi Melt thing, delicious thing that we know today. So we're on our way to Gandhi Cuisine right now, and I can't wait to try it. Can I have a butter chicken roti? And then I'll also try a vegetable one. What vegetable do you recommend?
You can go for vegetable korma.
Vegetable korma?
Yeah, that has like mixed vegetables and korma sauce in it.
Okay.
That's really good.
And what's korma sauce?
Korma sauce is like chickpea flavored paste.
Chickpea flavored paste. That sounds delicious. I'll have one of those and one butter chicken.
Butter chicken, sure. How spicy good?
How spicy? Do you make it very spicy?
For me, I feel like medium is good.
For you, medium is good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one medium. We'll do one medium, one hot.
Sure, which one medium?
The chicken.
Butter chicken medium?
Yeah.
Well, we're foodies to start off with. All we do is cook and bake together. Yeah. So Queen Street is probably our place to be. Yeah. I'm also like West Indian, so Gandhi is perfect for me.
But and the way I understand it though is that it's a mix of like Caribbean and Indian.
It is.
Also, right?
Yes. Very much so. Yeah. Well, butter chicken is more East Indian, which is India, but the curries here are more West Indian, which is where I'm from.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Did you eat this kind of stuff growing up?
I did. I still eat it. Like,
Mom makes really good roti also.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we make roti and curry at home all the time.
So I know this isn't as good as your mom's, but like how does it compare?
It's amazing.
It's pretty good.
It's like, definitely number two, but
yeah.
No, it's
Don't
delicious.
Let Rafina know that.
Yeah.
I haven't met Drake. Do you know what's going on? Why can't I just meet Drake?
I don't think he lives here.
So I think this is the chicken, and I ordered one of them hot, one of them medium. So and I forget which one is which. I think vegetable hot, so it'll be sort of a surprise which one is spicy and gonna cause me to sweat. And this already looks so good. I just kind of want to show you what the inside of this looks like. This is so hot. Very spicy. I think this is the medium, and this is gonna be, we may be heading into Howl and Ray's chicken territory where I eat the hot. It's just going to be waterfalls. I'm going to look like a sweaty tomato. I think it gives us comfort. As human beings, we like to have our food swaddled. We like to have our different fillings wrapped securely. The chicken itself tastes like onions and spices and garlic and curry. And then the flatbread, I mean, it tastes fresh. I think you can tell that they make it here. Okay, so let's put chicken roti aside and let's move on to the vegetable. This is the vegetable korma. Now, this I ordered hot. This was already kind of hot. As you can see, I'm starting to schwitz a little bit already on my forehead. I'm gonna blot myself because our makeup person, I don't know where they are. I'm gonna cut right into this guy. Take a look at this. Flavor-wise, I think probably the butter chicken is stronger. The flavor profiles are a little bit richer. It's a little bit deeper because you have that meat flavor and you have that butter flavor. Because it's pretty heavy on the legumes. You've got the peas, the green peas, as well as the chickpeas, and then sort of adding to the earthiness, the groundedness of it. This is a mixture of cultures, right? I mean, even when we were talking to those young women over the table, I made a mistake, and when she said West Indian, I thought she meant like the western part of the country India in the subcontinent, and what she actually meant was the West Indies. And I misunderstood that she actually meant like the Caribbean, and which is where this particular dish comes from. It's a mashup of Indian food and Indian flavors that come from the subcontinent, but that were brought over to the islands from laborers. This is sort of an islands, a West Indies invention done with Indian subcontinent flavors. I'm really feeling the heat. This was a very spicy but very delicious dish. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you'd like to watch more, please click here.
I work for the restaurant. He told me keep the golden turtle forever.
So you have to keep this restaurant forever?
Yeah, for me and for my kids too.